Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Shalini. Today, June 17, 2024, I will present my modified toll road design. This is the design of the Trans Sumatera Toll Road. Trans Sumatera Toll Road is a toll road with rigid pavement type. This toll road connects the island of Sumatra from Aceh to Bakaheni. The Trans Sumatera Toll Road is one of the freeway construction with rigid pavement type, and above the toll road, there is a line road or overpass, which is an urban access road. On the Trans Sumatera Toll Road, or GTTS, there are several structure elements which include the first, toll road rigid pavement structure. The rigid pavement structure on toll road consists of several layers to distribute traffic load and prevent damage to the road. Structure includes longitudinal joints and transverse joints located on the concrete slab are the topmost layer. Base course anti-erosion layer located below the concrete slab layer. Surface course, depending on existing soil condition, is optional. And the last, lowest layer is the subgrade, which is the original soil layer. And the third, the structure of the building under the overpass includes one, pillar. Pillar as the main support structure in the middle of the span, made of reinforced concrete. The second one is abutment. Abutment or pedestal is a soil-retaining structure that is at the end of the span of the overpass, namely at the point where the bridge meets the ground below. The third, the structure of the overpass building, including roof plate, main girder. The main girder will withstand the direct load of the vehicle plate, and longitudinal girder, several to distribute load from the vehicle floor plate to the position of the transverse girder. And the fourth, supporting facilities are needed for safety and smooth traffic. Supporting facilities used include first, guardrail, a fence installed on the side of the toll road to prevent vehicles from leaving the lane. The second, drainage system, an integrated drainage system to prevent waterlogging of the roadway and support structure. The third, street lighting system that illuminates the highway at night. And the next, traffic signs that provide instruction and warnings to driver. And the last, emergency lane, a special lane used for vehicle experiencing problems. In general, toll roads are means of land transportation that aims to shorten the travel time of vehicle to a place that is quite far if taken through ordinary or non-toll roads. This is what makes me interested in design GTTS because it accelerates access to travel by land and also become economic connectivity in North Sumatra. This toll road will also be connected to Kuala Namu Airport and Kuala Tanjung Port, which are two strategic connection spots between Indonesia and the world. The logistic distribution chain is expected to be more efficient and have an impact on lowering logistic costs so as to increase people's purchasing power. What can make me interested in designing this toll road are the first, seeing the construction result realized with the target goal of building GTTS, which will be the longest toll road network in Indonesia with a total length of 2,818 kilometers, as in the Pan America Highway, which has a total length of 48,000 kilometers. And seeing the achievement of the performance of a company, namely PT Hutama Kaya, which has contributed a lot to the construction of toll roads in Indonesia. The drawing of the Trans Sumatera Toll Road that I made has basic principles that I have put into the form of design, including the first one, functionality and capacity principles. Meet traffic needs because the toll road capacity must be able to accommodate the traffic volume both now and the future. Smooth vehicle flow with toll road geometry design, such as the number of lanes, line width, and bend radius, must be optimized to minimize congestion and smooth vehicle flow. The second one, road user comfort. Road surface should be smooth and flat to provide driving comfort and minimize the risk of accident. The third one, sustainability and environmental impact. Environmentally friendly design is manifest in the use of environmentally friendly materials such as recycled concrete and environmentally friendly asphalt that can minimize negative impacts on the environment. And the last, aesthetic and beauty. Attractive design is designed with aesthetic selection of shape and materials that can beautify the scenery and increase the aesthetic value of the toll road. Artistic straight lighting and beautiful landscaping around the toll road can improve aesthetic and create a more pleasant atmosphere for road users. Consideration of various technical aspects to ensure a road structure that is robust, durable, and able to withstand heavy traffic loads. The first one, calculation of traffic and external loads. Predicted traffic loads, including vehicle type, number of vehicle, and axle weight, are the main factors in determining the thickness and design of the rigid pavement structure. External factors such as earthquakes and ground pressure need to be considered in load calculation. The second one, material choice. The main material for rigid pavement is reinforced concrete, which has been considered with the daily traffic capacity on highway that are mostly frequented by large vehicles. It consists of a mixture of cement, water, aggregate, sand and gravel, and steel reinforcement. Ensure aggregate quality and use quality steel reinforcement. The construction method selected for the construction of highway over which there is an elevated road overpass. Prefabrication of girder and pile which are prefabricated at the factory before being brought to the project site. Erection. Laying road components are transported and assembled at the project site using cranes. Toll road pavement construction. Installation of subgrade, base, and reinforced concrete surface layers by on-site casting method. The challenge experienced are that the overpass design process must be integrated with the overall toll road design, ensuring structure compatibility, stability, and aesthetics. And for the solution is the use of 3D modeling software that allows more comprehensive visualization and analysis of structures sensitivity, coordination, and design optimization. Future developments and improvement in expressway design will play an important role in expediting transportation and enhancing national economic commodities. The development of new technologies and materials will help open up ideas and creativity to design toll roads that are safer, more efficient, durable, and more environmentally friendly. Let us and the next generation of national development continue to innovate and improve toll road design to build stronger, effective, durable, and more sustainable infrastructure for the future. I'm Sarah Lee. See you next time.
He always been faking me out.